guys, on today's video I want to show you how to change the wiper blades on a 4K. In this case is type 2, model type 2, B2, sorry, B2. To take off the blade, you have a button here, push and pull back. This is that. These have 40-inch and 35 centimeters. Here you have a protection, and now we need to change the adapter. So in our case this is the adapter B2. Like that, and just pull, push here. Like that. Don't forget the protection. And same to the other one, the bigger one. Push the button and pull back. This is our adapter B2. And take off the protection. That's it, guys. Bye.